In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Binance app to the latest version and ensure your account is protected with enhanced security features. First things first, it's crucial to ensure that your device meets the minimum operating system requirements. If you're using an Android device, it should be running on Android 9 or later. For those with an iOS device, make sure it's iOS 16 or newer. With these prerequisites cleared, you're all set to update your Binance app. Now, once you've successfully updated your app, open it and log in as you normally would. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to the Account Center. This is actually quite simple. Look for your profile icon, which is typically at the top right corner of your screen. When you tap on it, you'll find yourself in the Account Center. In this section, your key focus should be on security settings, as we are here to bolster your account's defenses. Within the security options, you're aiming to find either the passkeys or the biometric settings. These might appear under a combined title like passkeys or biometrics, depending on your app version or device. Once located, what you'll want to do is tap on the option to Add Passkey, or perhaps Add Authenticator. This addition is vital as it layers an extra level of security to your account access. Next, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. This is usually through your registered email or the two-factor authentication, commonly abbreviated as 2FA. It's an important step to ensure that it is indeed you who is attempting to modify the security settings. Following this verification, you'll need to choose how you'd like to set up your passkey, which can be custom-tailored to your preference. You have options here. You could go with your device's screen lock or PIN, or if you have biometric preferences, you can opt for fingerprint recognition or Face ID. What's really beneficial about this setup is that, upon completion, many of the Binance app's actions will require either this biometric input or the passkey to proceed. It effectively acts like an app lock, providing an additional barrier for entry or when using certain features within the app. This way, you're ensuring that your account remains safe from unauthorized access while also making it exceedingly easy for you to log in using familiar, quick methods. Not only does this upgrade your security, but it also enhances the convenience of using the app. That's how you keep your Binance account both updated and secure, combining the latest technology with user-friendly features.